Hello there everybody, new day, new story to tell. Calimera here from Cyprus. Good morning everyone. So I just woke up and I'd ordered online another cold smoked fish, but this time I choose salmon and hopefully it is good also like the cold smoked fish that I ordered that I bought last time. For my first mukbang, I like it so much with the potato. Oh my god, I have a buckle on my tongue. I don't know. When I woke up, I'm just thinking what I will do on my holiday in Philippines, except for of course, having a family time. And takes for me how many months for me to come over in the Philippines. Oh my god, I'm sorry about my nose. I'm always laughing every time I ask my partner if my nose is fine. And then he said, I love your nose. Your nose is cute. There's nothing wrong with your nose. I want to share only that today I will have a mukbang again, but I need to limit the time, or the minutes that I will upload here on my account, because I don't want to be like long minutes on my uploaded videos. I want just only 3 minutes or below 3 minutes. So I will have again also cold smoked salmon and some potatoes, and I have still the caper leaves pickled. So I will eat that today. I am craving now. So when I woke up, just ordered online, so I'm waiting for that. It will arrive 10:45 in the morning here in Cyprus. So I will have a video later and I will share to all of you. So I want to gain 1,000 followers and I hope you will help me for that. That's it for today. Bye.